Hello, this is a video about Easy Bitx. In this video you'll see Easy Bitx version 1. So this transceiver is made on for 20 meters. This is made on a request for a club in Delhi for Mr. Arya. So we have made this transceiver for a demo purpose for new hams that would like to build this Easy Bitx. It's a very simple transceiver which could be built in a weekend. So I will give you a test about this transmitter site. So we are using one IRF 510. We have used another filter, the bandpass filter of AirPal. So this is performing much better. So instead of the original one, I have used the AirPal bandpass filter. So this seems to be performing much better. So in a new version, we'll have a change in the bandpass filter. I'll put up more information regarding this bandpass filter for people who are already building this Easy Bitx. So just let me continue and give you a demo of the transmission. I'm using Easy Bitx on 20 meters, and for the test I'm using SX200 and for monitoring purpose I'm using this Yasu FT8707. So this is my mic. So I'm using a 12 volt power supply, 12 volt 2 amperes power supply. So I'm not checking the current out here, I'm just checking out this how much power and the modulation for this transceiver built for the club. So here I go. This is on the transfer down. It's on 5 watt range, and how much power I'm getting? Around 3 to 4 watts by whistling into the microphone. If I speak, hello, CQ, hello. Oh, now I'll whistle. So see here, I'm getting 4 watts. I'm getting clean 4 watts. Hello, check, hello, testing, Easy Bitx. Hello, CQ. The voice is coming out of this Yasu transceiver. So just testing the RX. The transceiver and both the transceivers are very nearby, so it is catching some RF, so there will be some distortions, but on the air there will be no distortion since these are transceivers are very nearby. Hello, CQ, this is a test, this is a test. This is a test for Easy Bitx. This is a test for Easy Bitx version 1 SSB transceiver. I am now trying to put the mic away from me and see from how much distance It is more than 1 feet away. So let's see if the mic picks it up. Hello, 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 hello. So it's picking up. It's picking up at a distance of around 1 feet or so. So the mic is quite sensitive. So the range that is covered is right from, so if I'll change out here, I'll change it to tuning step to 1K. So if you see that tuning steps, you can go up to 10K. So I'm just going on the 1 kilohertz tuning step. So the maximum is 14.350, and this can be increased if you are living in some other country where your frequency is a bit different. You can increase this through the firmware and change whatever frequency you want. So let's go back to the minimum side. Let's go on 10K, so that will get it faster over there. So if I try to move the encoder, now nothing happens since it is locked up to 14. So basically you can increase or decrease the range from this setting. So on this transceiver we have got two microphones. One is handheld out here. See, other microphone can be a pin type. If you are not using this connector, if you got a stereo connector pin, so you can use this. And we have this headphone. So if you want to use a headphone, if you plug the headphone will take over and the speaker will close. So if you take out the headphone jack, then the speaker will take over. So this is about the transceiver. I'll just show you from inside also. I'll show you from inside. So this is the look of the transceiver. So this is the speaker. This is 3-inch speaker. So here we have the power connections, the antenna and power connections. This is wired up. All this wiring and all has been done one of my technicians, who has, I think so, become like a ham. Though he is not a ham, but seems he's become like a ham. Most of the work he does, have to just keep or check on the other things. And so I hope you like this video, and in coming days I will give a demo of the receiver, that how it's performing. So thank you.